What's going on? Back over here again, trying to get the AC fixed on the car. And I'm waiting on some parts to come in actually, man, but so I just found out that I can rebuild my AC compressor without, instead of buying parts for it. So I'm gonna try that. I've never done it before, but I was so lucky to, find a video, not only how to build a compressor, but how to rebuild a Fox body compressor. So, glad I was able to find that. I might have to watch it again. The guy who I watched, he had some special tools, which I feel like I shouldn't need any special tools, but we'll see. I'm gonna pull my compressor out the car and we'll just be waiting until the parts come in, but I'll show you what I got already. And it doesn't take much to rebuild them, apparently. All right, this kit right here, this is a part of it. The rest of it is like big O-rings and stuff for the compressor. But it's got like 2 seals in here, shaft seals, I think that's what they call them. And it's got some other stuff like some small rings in here and that ring lock right there. But anyway, I'm gonna get this compressor pulled off and hopefully they'll be here in time enough for us to, fix it. All right, man, real quick, go hit that subscribe button and like this video. I will have more content coming soon for you guys. Appreciate it. All right, y'all. This the other part to the rebuild kit. All right, this the part number right there, MT2140. So I'm about to pull the compressor out the car and we're gonna get to it. I got the compressor off. Let me show it to y'all. Well, y'all already seen it, but hey, peep this. The Hellcat ride reaction coming soon. That's all. I got the compressor cleaned up. It's not all the way cleaned up, but I might try to, still clean it up a little bit more before I stick it back on the car. But just to show you the progress that I made, I had this nut and I pulled it off of the front, and this piece here comes out like that. And then there's a ring that holds it in, but I'm just gonna continue on, man. But yeah, man, I think actually what I'm gonna do is take it on the inside and I'm gonna work on it like that. I really don't have a bench to work on per se, so I'm gonna like grab me like a mat or something and put on the floor and just work on the inside, man. But stay tuned. I'm about to rebuild this compressor. This is the shaft seal, but this is one of the shaft seals. Let's just knock this out. So you will not be able to put a socket in that hole and knock that seal out. You actually have to get a screwdriver. Because I've watched some videos that said, you know, you can get a socket, but it's not possible. So it needs to be a screwdriver. So got the compressor put back together. It's not completely clean, but it's clean enough for the time being. So I got a few more things I need to put on. Torque the bolts down that goes through the top of it, and see how it works. All right, so one more major thing that I need to do is press the bearing out of this pulley. It seemed like it was good when it was on the compressor, but it's a 30-year-old car, and I'm just gonna go and just get a new one. So this is it right here. I gotta clean that up, but anyway, this bearing right here on the inside, I'm gonna press it out, and then I'm gonna buy a new one and come press it back in. y'all. Couldn't find a bearing where I'm at right now. They don't have it in their stores in this area, so I'm either gonna have to just order one or travel to go get it. So that being said, I'm gonna end the video right here. This part, and then for the next video I'll finish it up, and then we'll try to shoot some Freon and stuff in there. And during that time, I'm probably gonna order a receiver dryer also. That way I just have everything that's been refurbished or replaced. So appreciate you guys for watching. More content coming soon. Please subscribe.